I'm Clem and I got a massive hoarding problem, as evident by today's exhibit. And you can see I really have a problem because I bought this thing specifically to show it to you. So today we're checking out this monstrosity. So this thing is a high frequency healing apparatus, model Vindobona, which means Vienna in Latin. And this is probably before World War II, somewhere between World War I and World War II. The crazy thing is these contraptions are still made. So healing apparatus in the sense that this is made for basically electrotherapy. So people get blasted their skin with high frequency, high voltage plasma blasts. In the early days, this was basically said to cure all kinds of diseases and whatever. Today we know that it has effects on some skin conditions, but you can also give yourself skin cancer or have negative effects if you use it extensively. 3 out of 4 tubes are working. The device basically is a high voltage transformer and a arheostat, and that's it. And there is no grounding on this thing, so if you would touch the high voltage bits, you're fried. I have to get in control about my hoarding habit, so in case you're interested in that thing, you will find a link below this video that tells you if this is maybe finding a new home.